Let's go for a long drive. Okay, it's a good idea. Come fast. Yeah. Hey Mark. Have you ever thought about all the incredible tourist spots around the world? It's mind-blowing how many amazing places there are to explore. Absolutely, Sarah. There are so many breathtaking destinations out there. Where should we start? Let's start with Europe. One of my favorite spots is Santorini, Greece. The whitewashed buildings against the backdrop of the Aegean Sea are just stunning. Oh, Santorini is definitely a gem. But how about exploring the historical charm of Rome, Italy? The Colosseum, Vatican City, and the Trevi Fountain are must-sees for any traveler. Rome sounds amazing. But let's not forget about the natural wonders of Switzerland. The Swiss Alps offer some of the most picturesque landscapes in the world, perfect for hiking and skiing. That's true. Switzerland's beauty is unparalleled. Speaking of natural wonders, have you ever been to Iceland? The land of fire and ice boasts stunning waterfalls, glaciers, and the mesmerizing northern lights. Iceland is on my bucket list for sure. But let's hop over to Asia now. Have you explored the vibrant streets of Tokyo, Japan? The blend of traditional culture and modern technology is fascinating. Tokyo is incredible. But if you're into ancient history, you should visit the temples of Angkor Wat in Cambodia. It's the largest religious monument in the world and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Angkor Wat sounds like a dream. But let's not overlook the exotic beauty of Bali, Indonesia. The lush rice terraces, pristine beaches, and rich culture make it a paradise on earth. Bali is indeed a tropical paradise. But have you ever considered visiting the Great Wall of China? It's not only an architectural marvel, but also holds centuries of history within its walls. The Great Wall is awe-inspiring. But let's switch gears to Africa. Have you experienced the wonders of a safari in Kenya? Witnessing the Big Five in their natural habitat is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. A safari in Kenya sounds incredible. But how about exploring the ancient wonders of Egypt? The pyramids of Giza and the temples along the Nile River are simply awe-inspiring. Egypt's history is so rich. But let's not forget about the vibrant culture of Morocco. From the bustling souks to the breathtaking landscapes of the Sahara Desert, it's a feast for the senses. Morocco sounds like a sensory adventure. But let's head down to South America now. Have you ever trekked to Machu Picchu in Peru? The ancient Incan citadel nestled in the Andes Mountains is a sight to behold. Machu Picchu is on my bucket list. But have you experienced the breathtaking beauty of Patagonia in Argentina and Chile? The rugged mountains, glaciers, and pristine lakes are perfect for adventure seekers. Patagonia sounds like a true wilderness adventure. But have you ever explored the lush rainforests of Costa Rica? It's a haven for wildlife enthusiasts and eco-travelers. Costa Rica's biodiversity is astounding. But let's not overlook the stunning beaches of Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. The iconic Christ the Redeemer statue overlooking the city is a sight to behold. Rio's beaches are legendary. But have you ever dived into the crystal-clear waters of the Great Barrier Reef in Australia? It's the world's largest coral reef system and a diver's paradise. The Great Barrier Reef is a marine wonderland. But let's not forget about the otherworldly beauty of New Zealand. From the geothermal wonders of Rotorua to the dramatic landscapes of Milford Sound, it's a photographer's dream. New Zealand's landscapes are truly epic. But have you ever explored the ancient ruins of Petra in Jordan? Carved into rose-red cliffs, it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Petra's architecture is so fascinating. But let's wrap up our tour with a visit to North America. Have you ever marveled at the natural beauty of Banff National Park in Canada? The turquoise lakes, rugged mountains, and abundant wildlife are simply breathtaking. Banff National Park is a nature lover's paradise. But have you ever experienced the vibrant energy of New York City? From iconic landmarks like the Statue of Liberty to world-class museums and Broadway shows, it's a city that never sleeps. New York City is a cultural hub. But let's not forget about the stunning landscapes of Yosemite National Park in California. The towering granite cliffs, cascading waterfalls, and ancient sequoias are awe-inspiring. Yosemite's natural beauty is unparalleled. But have you ever explored the historical charm of Charleston, South Carolina? The cobblestone streets, antebellum architecture, and southern hospitality make it a charming destination. Charleston sounds like a lovely getaway. Well, Mark, our tour of the world's best tourist spots has been incredible. There are so many amazing destinations out there just waiting to be explored. The world is full of wonders, and each destination offers its own unique charm and beauty. I can't wait to embark on more adventures and discover new places together. Me too. Here's to many more unforgettable journeys ahead. Cheers. Cheers to that. Let's make memories that will last a lifetime. We need to go home now. Yes. Long drive was good. Yeah.